Hello guys, welcome back to Diviners. So we are back with some new updates about Adobe XD. So right now I just made the simple design for a landing page, just like for a web page. Okay, so I just write down the title Adobe XD new updates, and these are the list of updates that I'm going to share with you. So the first one is a Lottie Playback plugin. So we will go to the plugin page right here, and when I click on add button here, so I can search for Lottie. Okay, and when I press on Lottie, and I got this plugin here, it's free, and I can install it into my Adobe XD. And when I click on install it, it's going to install the plugin right now here. So guys, our plugins has been installed, and let me close this and replace this one with Lottie plugins, and we will search here. We will look here for the Lottie plugins. We can see that we have Lottie files here. When I click on this Lottie files, and they are asking me to log in via browser, so I will need to click on this one. Okay guys, so here uh, we have successfully logged in into Lottie files, and we will get back to Adobe XD. And right now you can see here we can search for more Lottie animations, and we have featured one and we have populars as well, and we can search for more as well here. Okay, so right now we have these Lottie files plugins, and I will just create a rectangle so I can replace that, or drag these animation into this rectangular shape, and so let me select one simple plugin from here, Lottie Files plugin. Okay, so you can see that we have a car here. Okay, I will drag this into this rectangular shape, and when I click on the page and play it like this one, so it's just like animated car is running. Okay, so this was the Lottie Files plugin update, and the second one is videography. Okay, so let me just copy and paste this page here, and we have the same rectangular shape. I will delete this, and I will just create a new shape here for a video. Okay, and let me just select a simple video that is less than 15 MB. So I will just select a short video here, this one, and I will drag it here, drag into this container, and right now we have this video. Okay, so I have this blend mode here for the video, and when I play it, like I just play it, and here we have the third update from Adobe XD, that is organizing assets. So let's suppose I have some colors in my asset files. Okay, I have multiple colors, like two colors, and I want to organize them. So I will select both of them and will right click on these selected colors, and will I can create the new group from selection, and I can rename it that these are my primary colors. Okay, so this was about something like arranging assets, same as for these assets as well. Like I can organize the videos, I can organize components, like I can select this one, this car animation, and I can select this video as well here in the component. So I can select both of them and right click new group, and these are my components. Okay, so this is something interesting from Adobe XD. And the fourth one is we can share the prototype to Behance directly. How we can do that? I can just do a prototype. Like I just select this one, and when I click on login, simple. When I click on login button, so here I can go to the prototype, and when I click on the login button, it will navigate me to this page, and when I click on this login, it will navigate me to this page. Okay, so this was the prototype, and I can share it on Behance directly. How can we do that? We can create a link, and here we will have an option to share it on Behance. Right now I think I don't have an upgraded mode, so this is not shareable. So that was the fourth, and the fifth one, the last one, that is export improvements. So what if I want to export this animation, this design? So let's say I want to animate this page with video. Okay, so I will select this page, and I will click, I can export it from here as well. File, go to the file, and we can export it from here, the selected one. Okay, and right now from here I can just export this asset as a png, and it gives me an option, and 1x, 1.5x, 2x, and 3x, 4x, and web, and iOS, Android. These are the updated uh, export sizes, and I can just directly export it from control E. So this will give me an option, export asset. Okay, so these were some of the updates that I want to share with you people. So that is really amazing from Adobe XD. So please subscribe the channel and share the video with your colleagues and with your designers. So I think this content was very helpful for you people. So thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye.